Let's welcome Mr. Naman on the stage.
Good morning everyone. My name is Naman Bhardwaj. Today I am going to teach you the types of phobias. Firstly, what is phobia? A phobia is an anxiety disorder which is defined by the persistent, excessive and unrealistic fear of an object, person, animal, activity, etc. Then the first phobia is arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is the fear of spiders. मकड़ियों का अत्यधिक भय. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब भी हम किसी मकड़ी को देखते हैं तो हमें डर लगने लग जाता है. देन द सेकेंड फोबिया इज एक्रोफोबिया. एक्रोफोबिया इज द फियर ऑफ हाइट, ऊंचाई का डर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब भी हम किसी ऊंची जगह में जाते हैं तो हमें डर लगने लग जाता है. देन द थर्ड फोबिया इज ट्राइपोफोबिया. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज ट्राइपोफोबिया? यस, यू. Yes, you are right. Then the fourth phobia is claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is the fear of enclosed spaces. तंग जगहों का डर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब भी हम किसी तंग जगह में जाते हैं तो हमें डर लगने लग जाता है और हमारा सांस रुकने लग जाता है. Then the fifth phobia is thanatophobia. Thanatophobia is the fear of death. मौत का डर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर किसी को थैनेटोफोबिया होता है तो अगर उसके सामने किसी की मृत्यु हो जाए तो उसे डर लगने लग जाता है. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. You did a great job.
Let us welcome Utkarsh. Suryansh, put your hands together for him. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that makes your shapes, dreams, fuels your ambitions and transforms your life in confidence. It is a small word with a big impact and yet so many. Have you held back from a speaker? You mind trying something new or chasing your dreams because you are through. What if I fail? Or what if I'm not good in each? Confidence is not a gift, it is a skill. Some people have same confidence, but the truth is confidence is built, not burned. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it. The formula of confidence. First formula of confidence is believing in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, why anyone else? Self-belief is the foundation of confidence. My second formula is embrace failure. Every setback is a lesson, not a failure. Every successful man in the world have failed. And my third formula is practice and favor. Whether public speaking, a job interview or a personal goal. And my fourth formula is fake you make it. What? You fake make it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now I invite Mr. Rudra.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rudra Thakur and today I am so excited to teach you the types of doctor. My first type of doctor is plastic surgeon. Plastic surgeon means reconstructing any part of the body. My second type of doctor is pediatrician. Pediatrician means बच्चों का doctor. For example, Naman is best pediatrician in Rohdu. My third type of doctor is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist means मानसिक रोगों का doctor. The doctor who is trained to treat people with mental illness. My fourth type of doctor is dermatologist. Dermatologist means त्वचा का doctor. The doctor who specialize in condition related to skin, hair, nails, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rudra.
Now Now let us welcome Miss Ojas. Now let us welcome Miss Ojasvi. Put your hands together for her.
I have a friend named Zoya. She loved to read stories, but she was too scared to read aloud in class. Every time the teacher said, she would look down, hoping she wouldn't be called. She thought, what if I make a mistake? One day, I told her, just try once. I know you can do it. She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and read a small paragraph. She made few mistakes, but the teacher smiled and said, great job, Zoya. Keep practicing and you will get even better. That day, Zoya learned something important. Confidence comes when we try, not when we hide. So I am going to tell you how to be confident. Try even if you are scared. Every big achievement starts with small steps. Practice makes us better. The more we try, the stronger we become. Be kind to yourself. Instead of saying, I can't say, I will try. Just like Zoya, she became more confident because she tried. You can do the same. So the next time you feel scared, remember, you are stronger than you think. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's welcome Mr. Ahir on stage.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aina Hinda. My village is 100 kilometers far capital city of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. My family concerned, my friend, joy friend, there are 5 members, my family, my grandparents, my mom and dad, not me. I read in 3rd class. My school name is Devi Public School. I like to play volleyball, football, and etc. I want to become an army officer. Thank you. I teach you some models. Can mean सकता है, मैं खा सकता हूँ. Could mean सकता था, I could eat. Must, I must eat. Will be able to eat. I should eat. Thank you. Have a nice day or head.
Thank you.